Here at StewMac, we work with a lot of wood. For body blanks, backs and sides, guitar and ukulele kits, tons of tools. So we always have a good supply around. But for the past few years, we've been saving our best sets and collecting rare pieces from around the world for an exciting new project. Welcome to WOODSTAX. What we're basically doing is taking high-res photos of every single piece of wood we have in our WOODSTAX archive for you to view online and see every grain and detail before you buy. That way, you can be sure to choose the perfect set for your next build. This amazing wood is Krelakam ebony from Africa's Congo Basin, part of a major environmentally sustainable and socially responsible project founded by Bob Taylor and Taylor Guitars. Our most recent stock of Krelakam has markings of the deepest blacks, tans, and golds. Guitars made from this ebony are known to have beautiful, complex, rich tone. Another one of our favorites is Madagascar rosewood. Since it's virtually impossible to get legal sources of Brazilian rosewood anymore, this one is the closest replacement today for its aesthetics and tonal qualities. Anywhere from darker rusty reds and shades of purple to light yellow browns. This rosewood is super workable and not as prone to cracking or splitting like Brazilian can occasionally do. This one may be the most talked about wood in guitar making circles. Perhaps you've heard the story of the tree, a massive mahogany that was felled by hand, lost in a ravine, and rediscovered over a decade later. Though this legendary wood is mostly gone, we've managed to procure several acoustic sets of this beautifully mesmerizing, highly figured mahogany wood. This is one of our 5A master grade sets. The patterning is referred to as tortoiseshell figure, which is extremely rare and hard to find. Other sets have markings of glistening waves and spiderwebs. The tree is breathtaking under finish, and its tone is noted for astonishing clarity and rich bass response. If you're a builder and you love great wood, the best thing for you to do is get on our mailing list, because our selection is constantly changing. We're always on the hunt for new, unique, and small batch sets, and we want to make sure you see them first. Pick out the perfect set for your next build with WOODSTAX.